So the mission is going to be simple. Can we reduce the size of the storage bin with what we got in it so we can get more in it into these vacuum bags? That's going to be the trick. Well, these vacuum bags were sent to me. You can see we got 24 by 16, 20 by 16, and then a 24 by 24 larger items. It comes with the vacuum seal clips as well as the pump itself. Real quick on the pump, got to hold it for 3 seconds to get it to work. Also take note, you've got these LED lights to let you know what the state of charge is. It is a USB Type-C rechargeable unit, which they do give you a cable for. So you'll be able to take this with you. So when you unpack the bags and when you go to reuse them, you got enough power in here to reseal the bags. So in this particular package, we get 3 different sizes, and you can see they all have the plugs here for the vacuum, and they all have this wide mouth opening so that you're not fighting yourself to get the clothes or blankets or whatever in the pockets. Now, this kit comes with 15 of these clips, 1 for each bag, but don't worry because they give you a nice carry case here that you can keep the pump in as well as all of your clips so you don't lose them. So what we do with the clip is, once we have the items in the bag, this is the max fill line, we're going to take the clip, slide it onto the unit itself, and then we're going to pinch it, pull this across, do it again, just to make sure you got all the air bubbles out here before we seal up the pump. So now for the smallest bag, I'm going to try to get some of the smaller stuff that was in that storage case, and we're going to try to get them in here and see how well it vacuums up. Run this back the second time now. So in the bigger bag, which is the one in the middle, I got the 3 biggest, bulkiest items. The smaller bag you already saw, and then this one were the medium ones in here. So now look at all this extra space we've been able to save for anything else we might need to put into this bag. Now if you're traveling and you know you're going to be gone a couple of days, we all know how bulky the clothes can get. But look how much that sits right in there. Remember, this was a lot of clothes in there. You come right over here to the other one, unstrap it, take the medium one out, you get that in there as well, and now you still got a little room for some other items. And lastly, if you're the type of person that travels and you always got to buy something, well look, you take a couple of bags, you take the vacuum itself, put it in a little baggie in here, stuff that away in your bag, and now you're good to go when it's time to repack and come back home. So finally, I think these vacuum bags are phenomenal as long as you do 2 things. Number 1, get proper sizing, because this big quilt here is not going to fit in this particular bag, but they make bigger sizes. And number 2, just make sure you fold everything correctly. That's going to be the art of really being able to take advantage of the vacuum bags themselves.